Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a picture like this. Teeny planet or teeny earth, just like this. Okay, the first you need the application. That the application name is Windows Image Composite Editor. Just download it in the description, and after downloading it, just click here new panorama from image. So find your image directory and import it. Click open. Okay, after that click stitch number 2. Now click stereographic here. So put your mouse right here. You can see the logo of the mouse up to bottom. Don't put your mouse right to left, yes, but put your mouse in here up to bottom. So left click, hold, and move your mouse to bottom like this. Okay, maybe we need to zoom it out so we can easily make it. Click here, zoom out. Okay, now we do that again. Okay, it will be faster. Okay, zoom. Okay, okay, now click crop here. Okay, we wait. Okay, this image now like this. Now if you want to crop it, just crop it as you want. But if you do not want to crop it, you can not crop it, but use the autocomplete right here. If you click this autocomplete, the blank spot here, here and here will be filled automatically, but we need more time to wait, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, use autocomplete. More space to autocomplete, more time you need to wait. Okay, now let's use autocomplete. If you don't want to use autocomplete, just click export. Okay, use autocomplete. The autocomplete is done. The blank space here, and here is now automatically filled, and it's great picture. Now let's export it. Click export and click export to disk. Okay, and rename it with 1. Save. Okay. Ta-da! The image now is here. This is the result. Oh, very good. But the size is very big right here. It's 37 megabyte, and if you want the size more is not big like that, just change this with 25%. And 2. Okay, save. Okay, this one is only 2 megabyte. Okay, this is 37 and it's only 2 megabyte. The result is same like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I miss to tell you. Okay, here you can change. You can rotate this image to the best angle what you want. Okay, first you need to zoom it so you can see the best angle what you want. Move your cursor right here in the right corner or left corner, just in the corner, right, until the mouse like that. so you can crop it, you can rotate it wherever you want. Take the best angle you want.